So we're getting closer on the progress of our Floyd Lake job. We have a couple items that we need to fix and get a little punch list going so that we can perfect the entire project. And so a couple things that possibly need to be brought attention to is this cabinet here has a little bit of too high sheen compared to the other cabinets. So we're gonna have to more than likely just resand and repaint those so that they all have the same finish. The other item that ended up coming in a little too big is our booth tables. So they overhang just a little bit too far, about 8 inches past the booth area. So we're gonna bring those back to the shop, get them cut down, and then bring them back and put them in place again. And then we'll be ready to do our final decorating stage. Another thing that we have to just make sure that we do is pop another little tiny piece of stone in the corner here where the stone meets the wall. There's a little bit of a gap, and then we'll be able to finish that up too.